To upgrade your Nvidia Geforce app to Nvidia App, first we'll need to click on our Nvidia Geforce Now, double click on it in the toolbar like this. New window should pop up, and after it's finished loading, you'll be asked if you want to upgrade. And now we want to click on the upgrade button, agree and continue, and then the installation process should begin. After a few moments it should finish. Now your screen might go black for a few seconds as the drivers will apply, and after that you will see this. Now we can go for preferred driver, game ready driver or Nvidia Studio driver. And if you use your PC for gaming, then you can go for a game ready driver. If you're a creator, then you can go for the second one. In this case, let's go with the game, and then we can enable or disable to optimize our games and creative applications. I'm gonna disable that and proceed. Then we can enable or disable Nvidia overlay, and after that we can log in to redeem exclusive rewards, but I'm gonna skip that. And here's our app ready.